Do you know how we can convert a number into the fraction format? There are two available methods to set fraction format in WPS Spreadsheet. First, select the range of the table, head to the Home tab, find the Setting button in the Shortcut menu, and set the fraction format. Alternatively, we can select the desired range of cells and right-click Format Cells, whose shortcut key is Ctrl+1. Locate fraction in the category list and choose from different types of fractions in the Type area on the right. Here, we can specify the denominator to fixed length or designated value as needed. Besides, the format effect can be previewed in the preview box above. Choose the desired type and click OK to finish this operation. More often than not, when inputting fractions in the worksheet, we may find the fractions are recognized as date format or text format. Now, we'll learn about how we can input fractions of correct format. The method is easy to master once you add a space between the fractional part and the integer part. For example, in case we want to enter 1/4, we can input 0 first, and then enter a space, and then input 1/4. Now, we've successfully input a correct fraction. The above is how we can set fraction format. Did you get it?